Absolutely, I'm a huge fan of Mr. Ratan Tata's, and honestly, I always wanted the Range Rover ever since the Tatas had bought it over. It's officially an Indian vehicle now, so I think it's a proud moment for everybody who's Indian. And I always wanted to get myself a Range Rover Vogue, and I finally did today. And I was informed that Mr. Tata would be presenting the keys to me, and I was hugely overwhelmed. Yes, I was, because I mean I've really looked up to him for so many years, and to be getting the keys from him.